Hey guys, it's Monday. I'm on my way to class right now. It is 10:12. I have class at 11, so I might get there a little bit early. So I just got to campus and it's 10:30. And I'm just trying to find somewhere to park now because it's so hard to find places to park on this campus. But after my history class, I have to meet with 2 other people from my teaching in a diverse society class to do something. I honestly don't even know what we're supposed to do, but we'll just figure it out. Feels really good out. It's a little like chilly, but it's a lot better than what it's been. Hey guys, so I'm done with my classroom communications class and it's 12 o'clock. I'm heading home now. I'm really hungry, so I decided not to stay on campus because I'm gonna make me something to eat at home, but I'm also going to start working on my history stuff just because I need to start getting that done. It's due Wednesday, so I need to stop procrastinating and get that done. I haven't really even looked at exactly what I'm supposed to do. I know we're supposed to read this book, and it's like a little kid's book, and then we make like quizzes and activities and stuff like that. So hopefully, I think this first one is just a quiz, and I feel like that will be like easier to do. Hey guys, so it's 4:33 and I met with my group and we just sat there and talked about the video we watched, and then we had to talk about a worksheet that we had to fill out. And it was easy. We could have just like texted or emailed each other about it because it was really easy. But our professor made us meet. Hey guys, today it is Tuesday and it's 10:30 right now. I completely slept through my alarm this morning. I don't even think that it went off because I never sleep through my alarms, and even if it does go off, I wake up and turn it off. Woke up at 9:15 and my class is at 9:30, so I wasn't gonna try to rush to get there. So I missed my first class this morning, which is great. Now it's 10:30 and I'm heading to school to go to my math class. But after school, I get done at 12:20. I'm going to my mom's work and helping her with something. I don't really even know yet. And then I'm gonna go home and go to sleep because I'm so tired. Hey guys, I'm done with my classes for today. And I'm on my way to my mom's work. I don't know how long I'm gonna be there, but I'm just doing some stuff for her. And I think she's gonna pay me. Well, I know she's gonna pay me, which is awesome.
Half my face is numb and it's kind of numb, but it also hurts so bad.
Okay, which way do we, Darcy?
I needed to stop by the bail bond. Yeah.
All right, hey guys, so we're downtown because we decided we're gonna come to this coffee frozen yogurt smoothie.
There's the circle.
Where's this place at? Oh, there it is. Right there. Yeah, it's right there. And we're just not jaywalking because there's cops right there.
Guys, something on my story. Look, banana and peanut butter.
And that's good. I made one the other day.
So should I get the peanut butter? Banana.
I never felt so at home.
So at home. Oh, because... What'd you get? Lewis and Clark.
I hate the fact that they
Chocolate sauce. Well, that's what she understood. So I got mine. I can't remember mine was like David and Goliath, but it was banana, or it was chocolate and peanut butter, and then I added peanut butter. Katie got something. Hers just has
Mine,
peanut butter
this
and
is something in Delilah.
peanut
Got
butter.
Peanut butter and banana.
So we're in the computer lab right now, and we're trying to figure out how to do his stupid statistic stuff. And it's not like confusing, but it is confusing because it's a lot of stuff, but I think we're figuring it out, so. And I just registered me and Colin for our spring term. We're taking a class called Urban Food and Farming, and it's a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday class. Monday we have it 9 to 12, and then Tuesday we have it 9 to 3. So that is like a long time, but every other one you have to do it every day. So we just thought that one would be the best, so we don't have to go to class every day. And like I said, it's only 3 weeks, so it won't be too bad. So I'm in the elevator right now. I'm gonna go to the library real fast and get something to eat. Hopefully they have something like quick to eat, because I'm hungry. And hopefully I get there and it's not too busy. Like, the line is always super long, but it might get me nice coffee too, so we'll see. Hey guys, so I am done with class and I'm walking to my car. Hey guys, it's Thursday and it's pouring down rain, but I'm just on my way to class right now. I'm tired. I don't have any coffee, so I might make me some when I get to school, but we'll see if I have time. I'm walking to math class right now, and it is pouring, so that's awesome. But I went and put my rain boots on earlier, so it's a good thing I did that because my feet would be soaked. Hey guys, so it is 11:47 right now, and we got done with math early, which was really nice. We just did a couple pages of notes and then played a Kahoot game, and then he gave us like a homework assignment, and he said that we could work on it in class if we wanted or just leave, so I'm leaving. But I'm on my way home now. I'm gonna go home, find something to eat, and then go to sleep. Guys, so it's still pouring down rain, but it's 12 o'clock right now, 12:10. And I got home, and me and my brother are going to where are we going? I had to take him by my dad's house to get some of this stuff. And then we're going to Starbucks because he wants to get him a drink, and then we're going to Subway because he has that Subway gift card, and he's going to buy me some Subway, which is nice. Hey guys, so it is 9 o'clock on, what day is it? Friday. And I don't have class until 11, but I'm already here because I just drove with Colin to save money and save gas because I was almost out of gas, and I just didn't feel like driving this morning. So I just woke up and drove with him. I made me some toast and some coffee. My coffee's still super hot, so I can't drink that yet. I'm gonna go into the library and do some work. Last night I wrote down everything that I want to try to get done. Alright, so it's almost 11 o'clock, so I have my classroom communications, and that just goes till 12, and then I have an hour until Colin gets done, so I'll probably come back to the library and get some more stuff done. Hey guys, so I'm back with Colin. So now we're on our way back to his house. I'm just gonna end this vlog here because we are not gonna do anything tonight. But thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos every week.